Hi all, it's Cindy from Cindy's Art. I'm continuing on with our creative series. I am taking a bookmark size of paper today to create this little abstract bookmark. And I'm focusing on Brusho and also of using stencils. So be sure you take time later to look at the details of what I outlined in here, highlighted with gold, doodled on. It just was a lot of fun, so I wanted to share this with you. So I'm using bookmark size of paper, and I'm going to start off with stencils. And these stencils are for acrylic paint. I'm using watercolor. Don't load your brush with a ton of paint. Practice on a scrap piece of paper so you can try to get and capture a little bit of what that stencil is. I didn't look for perfection. I needed to be able to see the stencil, so as I move forward in making this bookmark, I could use a micron black pen or a white Sakura pen later to outline things. But layer these stencils. Try different stencils and try different shapes. Don't worry about what it looks like. Sometimes you have to play, and this one came out really nice. So I just sprinkled a little bit of Brusho. When you use Brusho, you only want to use a little bit, a tiny bit of that powder. Put it on a piece of paper, plain, easy, something that you're not going to use. Spray that with water and watch what happens. Basically, that powder explodes. You do not want to get this on your desk, or you wipe your hand, or you wipe some nice rag on it. It will stain everything. So it's kind of dangerous and a lot of fun. So I'm going to do layer upon layer. I'm going to add stencils. This stencil right there looked like grass, so I wanted to create something. I thought, okay, it looks like flowers, it looks like grass, and I let the paper dry really well in between me adding layers. Next, I added background. I wanted to fill in the gaps a little bit, and you're going to see my final painting is very, very intense. I did layer upon layer, and then I wanted those musical notes on it, and when it was all done, to me it looked like a mess. And whenever it looks too much like a mess for me, I know it's time to get out my pens and start outlining and doodling. And it came out fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed this easy, simple, inspiring lesson that might help loose more of your creativity. Thank you for all who tune into this channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Enjoy the ending of this picture. Slow this video down so you can view everything and take a look at these details. Thanks guys, take care.